And welcome back. It was a little bit cooler today outside. 65 degrees was our high, 37 being our low this morning. So we were well below normal. We're going to have another cool night tonight. No precipitation to speak of. And even after the weekend, we're about 1.25 inches below where we should be for this time. If you're outside right now, we are in the mid to upper 50s. You got 52 in Durant, all the way up to 58 in Laurel, and then 57 in between pretty much throughout the rest of the region. Radar satellite picking up a few showers and thunderstorms across the U.S. right now. So there's just some drizzly showers on off to our west. And I got some snow up in the northern plains as we zoom on into our region. You can see, though, we've kind of decreased in intensity right here because the sun's gone down, and this is kind of diminishing as it moves towards our neck of the woods. As this does get closer, though, we will expect some drizzle overnight tonight. No accumulation, not going to impact us. There's not even lightning showing up with these showers. So just some drizzle, a lot that's not even reaching the ground. It's associated with what we call a mesolow, just a little area of low pressure right here. And you can really see kind of a little boundary that's firing along. And behind it, notice how off the western portion of the U.S., this kind of air kind of moves on off to the southeast. This is a ridge that is moving in. And as that does, a high pressure will build into our region and push this stuff on off to the east. So for the next couple days, we'll be okay. And as we get into your Thursday, though, we're going to set up for some showers and thunderstorms. Future radar tonight, really just maybe a little drizzle. And that's really just about it. By the midnight hour, this will be on off to our south and to our east. And tonight, we'll be back down in the 30s, 38 degrees. Passing shower this evening, those winds out of the northwest, pretty calm. We could have some frost, though, in the morning in some of those, especially the rural areas. And that is with, okay, so we have this low pushing on off to the east coast. This is strengthening as it goes on up the east coast as well, and it's going to impact the northeast. Drier air coming from the north for us. It's with this high pressure. As this moves on off to our east, we'll get the return of some southerly winds as well as some moisture. And that's kind of the precursor to showers and thunderstorms on your Thursday. Highs for tomorrow will be in the upper 60s. Those winds out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then later this week, pleasant conditions across the central U.S., but showers again and thunderstorms across pretty much the eastern third. Jet stream on up to the north, and you got some showers and snow off the Pacific coast. Here's our current outlook right now. It's blue. This is just a slight risk as we go into tomorrow. That's when we can start to denote between slight, marginal, enhanced, moderate, and all those different categories. Right now, we just do slight or moderate, and we have a slight risk just on off to our west right now for your Thursday. The main story, though, is going to be rainfall potential. Even if we don't have severe storms, we're looking at quite a bit of rain over the next week. Anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches to 2 inches on out to the west. So rain's going to be an impacting factor, and we don't need it right now because we're still dealing with some flood warnings. So here we go for your Tuesday, 69 degrees. As we go on to your Wednesday, more sunshine. We'll be in the mid-70s. Cooling on off in the lower 70s for your Thursday. 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Again, some of those could be severe. Right now, damaging winds and hail will be the main concerns, though they can't rule out a tornado. And then we'll get back in the upper 70s for your Friday, and then another chance over the weekend for some showers on Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures will be in the lower 80s. We'll start next week off on a good foot in the low 80s as well.
Yeah, I do like those 80s.
Yeah, got to wait about 5 days to get to them, and then we'll be there.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Time.
Patience. It's a virtue.
Time is on my side.
Have you looked in the mirror?
Yes,
Ouch.
Sorry, I had to get one. I finally got one on Mark. I'm happy about that.
Okay, I understand. Sometimes
Esports, right, Mark?
If I wasn't me, I'd do that the same. I'd do that to me too.